Hi everyone, Chef Lee here at Peyuk Winery in Rutherford, Napa Valley, and we're gonna go over very quick here on how to do basic knife skills. And when we say basic, that's what we want because we have to have some basis so to be safe in the kitchen, all right? We're gonna go very quick. First thing, guys, very important, before we start chopping or everything, your cutting board, doesn't matter what kind of cutting board you use, make sure you always have, a wet towel or a paper towel if you, but always underneath your cutting board. So that's gonna prevent from sliding. So it's safe, right? So now it's safe, nice and sturdy. That's what we want. So we don't want any accidents there. So that's the first thing you do. Get your cutting board ready. Of course, your knife, it should be sharp always. So we already did a little video about how to sharpen your knife. So you have it ready, nice and sharp. What we have here is a zucchini from our garden this morning. It's all right. So very important. Your knife, always your fingers here, nothing around. Some chefs like to do that, but if you are well skilled, you might, but I will prefer if you start with the basic skills. So nice grab. When you grab a knife, never put too much pressure on it, just enough so you can handle it and you can use your dicing, because if you put too tense your muscles, most accidents happen too, all right? Very simple. So you grab your knife with all your fingers on the handle of the knife, okay? Now, I got a zucchini here. Let's start your left-hand side, fingers always on this position, almost like forming a clock, if you want to say so, but always towards the inside your tips of your fingers. So this is what I'm gonna do. So you put it here, you see the knife. First thing when you slice it, this part of your finger, the front part of your finger, is gonna push the blade a little bit towards the outside. So it's never in the inside. So naturally, it's gonna go like this, all right? See? We wanna cut it, the zucchini, let's see, be safer. You wanna do half moons. You go straight, and always any vegetable or fruit that you cut, it's better to find a safe shape that you're gonna work with it instead of like this, right? It's round, so it's a little more dangerous. They can slide very easily. So now it doesn't move, right? And let me show you here very easy how to go again with your blade in your fingers. Let's see, fingers always like that, in the motion of the knife. So you see, pull it back and go from, pull it back and from. You see, and your hand naturally goes back little by little. So you never expose your tip of your fingers. If you have exposed, you're gonna have an accident. So like that, always, and that's safe. See? One day you will be like this. Okay? With your eyes looking up. But that's a basic knife skill.